Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Very importantly, in the past 1 month, there are a lot of news that silver and gold prices are hitting high on high on high. So you can see that every day when you open any app or you visit any news which says silver has rise 10 rupees today or gold has touched 12,000 a gram. So what happens is a few of my clients who invest a lot of money regularly have a want an understanding whether silver is something which will go in the long run, or is it because of some kind of a political or a small economic gain that it is suddenly having a spike, and will it come back or get corrected? So in this video, we'll be talking in detail astrologically whether silver and gold is going to be the next boom and whether you can invest in long term and what is the short term view of the particular gold commodities. So before I enter into this video, this is a very important disclaimer I want to share with you, that this is a completely astrological based video only. It is not going to be a financial advice, or it is not going to be some kind of a financial consultancy that I'm going to give to you. It's a purely astrological based analysis which I like to share with you. So now let us take the horoscopic point of view, where silver is having a spike in a very short period of time. So when we look into the position of Sun was actually in the 5th house of India's chart, and in the Ekadasamsa chart also it was positioned in the 5th house. Silver had a sudden spike because of that. Combined with that, the Saturn transit and also the beginning of Mars Dasha. So in Mars Dasha, Mars is represented by metals. So you can see a lot of hike and spike in all kinds of metals which is associated with Mars, which includes copper and silver. So if you want to look into the long-term perspective, yes, throughout the Mars Dasha, you can see a lot of growth in terms of commodities like silver. And in the short term, of course, once the sun moves, the sun moved on probably 17th of October. After that, if you see that silver would have got corrected. So the silver's correction will be there in a short run, but whereas in the long run, silver will definitely touch 250 rupees per gram, which I'm saying in the next 1 year. And also, it can peak in the next 10 years. When the Mars Dasha gets over, it will be somewhere else, maybe 3 or 4x more of whatever is the value right now. What about gold? Gold also will definitely go up. This is something which people have been talking for a long period of time. So if you look into India's Ekadasamsa chart, from Jupiter, Sun is placed in the 5th house. So you can say that in the long run, anybody in particularly in our country has an investment idea, they can look into the long-term growth of gold, especially in the Mars Dasha, it will definitely go up. So considering all these things, silver is a long-term bet. Silver, you can definitely bet it on long-term. And also, you can expect gold to touch 15,000 rupees a gram in the next 3 to 4 years. Of course, everybody in Economic Times and all that newspapers, they are just telling 15,000 a gram will reach in the next few months itself. But you can expect it to reach and then correct itself and then come and stabilize at a particular point. So you can see that metals is going to be the next important jump, next important growth phase in India in the next 1 decade. So for more information, keep watching my channel and don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you.